The game we're playing today is rated E for everyone.
Hi everyone, welcome to another video on Niki and Nandi's Gaming Adventures. Today we're going to be playing Animal Crossing. We don't really know what to do, so we just like playing around, messing up with, and my sister makes a mess in the streets, so we like getting rid of stuff, we like selling to earn money. Yeah, I kind of don't know I kind of forgot what the selling stuff is, so I just put it in the ground. Well, now we're gonna play. Look at these. Wait. See? You might get confused. I'm the blue one. Oh, we're both blue. Nandi's the one that's wearing the hat, the weird hat. And I'm the one with glasses, obviously, but since we both look alike, well. I'm just dressed like Peach because I like seeing her. So now we're gonna give a tour of my sister's house. My sister's house. Hey, this is my seat. Okay, let's push it. What the? Put it in the middle because I like the seat too. Whatever you say. There. Now let's give it a tour. Oh, check out your flag. But show them how your flag works. Again, I like it more like this. You cannot grab it. Or not, you will make it disappear. No! Where is it? Mobile, no. Monster, no. Mom's squishy. Mom's tea cozy. No. Yes. Go pull. Está al revés. No. Turn around. Ahí está ya. Let's go. I look at my Mario. Welcome to my sister's messy house. This is my sister's messy house. Hey, but I could do whatever I want in my house. Yeah, and that's why you have socks on the floor? And a rock. And a seat. I have a triple bed. Make me space. Hey, I want to come over here. We can roll in the couch. We can turn on the water. I want to change. I want to change. Oh, and if you're playing with two people, just shake the remote. And then they just need to press the A. I don't want my wig right now. Really? I want my Princess Peach dress. With your Princess Peach heel shoes. With my little socks. And my Princess Peach little heel shoes. Your cast? No. Your Princess Peach heel shoes. Peach heel shoes. There. But I don't want to wear something cool right now. Look what I just buy. What did you buy? No. That looks like grandma's skirt. Hey! That's the worst thing I ever heard. How about we dress the same? Yes, go. Click on it. Or how about this? Yes, click on it. And let me just get gum. I want Band-Aid. Just click on it, please. And I want my little pink shoes. Pink shoes? Just click on it already. Better. Done. Now let's go to my house. And now let's go to my... You left me! My house. My kitty feet. My house now. My house is way more organized than that girl's. just hurry on. Ooh. Knocky, knocky, knock, knock. Yay, that's my house. Let me pass through. There. Go to. This is where I watch TV. This is my library. Show them my library. This is my library. I'm reading this book. This is my hamster. This is Dory and Nemo. And well, this is my giant teddy bear. Wait up. And this, I really love bunnies. So everything is made out of bunnies. And how dare you leave the faucet open? Close my faucet. Okay, boss. No, I need to be in charge. Shake it. Let me close my faucet. Now let me get changed. Oh, yes, I want to get changed. Yes, Niki, please. Put some socks. So you go be this. Put the mustache. No. Yes, I want to see it. I'm going to give that one to Dad. I want to see it. And you. Wait. Where is my dress? There. Sisters forever. Choose some cool. I want pink glasses. Niki, today. I want to see you with the mustache, please. Just saying, that doesn't look like Dad. Better. Calcetines. I want blue socks. No socks. Shoes. Is that seriously all I have? I'm poor. Me chanclitas. Now backpack. No backpack. Done. Wait, I want to change my hairdo. Change up, I'm so beautiful. Ah! I'm really hungry. I want to change it. No, it's really hot outside. I want to change. I know. That's as cool as you can be. That's the. No, I want to take on my what socks and what my shoes. I want to put my chanclas, my golden chanclas. Golden chanclas? I want to see that. To Nandi's house. My house is popping down. You just bomb. Hit me in the head. Stop crying. Let me in charge. Nandi has the same sink as me. Yippee. Get changed. Hey, you need to give me some of your shoes. I don't have shoes. Can I see your shoes? Please. Let me see. Wow. They are my golden chanclas. Can you give me those teal ones or the black ones? You have 2 black ones. At least give me some. I'll give you this. Okay, good. No, this. Okay, even better. No, this. No, I already have mine. No. So, no, I like my new shoes. Bye. Those. Fine. Just whatever. I'm going to have to get this. It's a hot day. No, I don't actually want. Oh, no. Hazel. No. I stopped having visitors because Nandi thought that my love was my neighbor and my love always came visit me. No, I'm scared of Hazel. Hazel is a chipmunky. Ah, she's adorable chick monkey. Try and turn Hazel around so everybody could see Hazel. No, it's Hazel. I want you to turn around. Turn around, Hazel. Hazel. Or you, Nandi. I think she's after you. Turn around, you, so she could chase you. Well, not chase you. No. We can't turn Hazel around. There. No. Just a... Ah! Let's leave. I'm leaving. I don't leave. So bad. Take a photo. There. Take away your... No! No, finally. Let's get out of here. Let's go to the store. How about we take a swim? Oh, a swim, yes. Yeah. It's a hot day. Actually, in real life, it's kind of cold. That's why I'm wearing my sweater. Change to my bathing suit. Anita. My bathing suit is cooler than you. I'm in charge. How am I supposed to get in the water without my bathing suit? Take all off your shoes. Are they gonna be waterproof? Mine are waterproof. Mine are waterproof too. No. All my shoes are waterproof. All my shoes are waterproof. First, pockets. Second, take this away. Third, put on my beautiful bathing suit that's teal, my favorite color. And, wait, your bathing suit is totally hot. Tag. I'm gonna jump. I'm going to jump. Oh, and you could echarte clavados. Sorry to ruin your exercise, but we need to echar los clavados. 1, 2, ready, go. Nos echamos de bomba. I'm the fishy. You have to fish me. I don't have a fish name. You don't. Could you give me that pink dress? That will be my rain, no? All yours. You need to leave me in charge. Let's show them our shops. Okay, first shop. Race you. No? Yes. First shop. Flyer, first shop, clothing shop. Excuse-moi, sorry. Those are not people, girl. I know. Our stuff. Hey there. Okay. What are they selling today? Oh, so beautiful. Oh, but I don't have enough money. Those are t-shirts. I can't believe this was a t-shirt. Oh, look at these pretty shirts. Oh, go to dresses. Dresses is the most exciting. Is that exciting? That's not exciting. What? I really want this. Really? Could you buy it? No. Aww. And I'll give you a stuff, some shoes. Pero está bien caro. Pero. Look. Just go. Okay, fine. I'll give you shoes. Socks? Excuse me, please. It's my turn. Okay, bueno, yo te los compro a ti. Si tú me compras los calcetines grises de ahí. ¿Estos? No, los chiquitos. Estos?
Bobby socks?
Bobby socks?
Well, that's what it says. Yes, I want Bobby socks.
But, okay, let me just take off the dress.
No, not the grandma.
I do have enough of money.
Yes, please. Yeah.
Now, you get me that dress. But you need to
Put me in charge.
you need to take off those clothes or not they will take it away from you.
Well, what should I put on?
Just
But I use those.
take off, you have
I
underpants.
use that too.
Just put, you have underpants.
Oh, I got an idea.
You have underpants. Remember.
There.
Girl, you have underpants and under t-shirt.
Yes, I need to. Yes, fitting room, please. Thank you very much. Goodbye. What did you want?
Look, dress. And
You're kidding. That's almost half of my money.
oh,
No, just kidding. It's not, but it's a lot.
fine. I buy you the thing that you want. So
But you still owe me shoes. You still owe me shoes. How do I select it? I forgot. No! I'm sorry, but I'm not all done. Yes, thank you very much. I want fitting room. Thank you. Bye. How do I select it? Okay, back. Here. Select. I don't know why.
Nikki.
Oh. Yeah. Happy now, stop crying. Yes.
I don't know. I just don't know what I pressed, but I just started crying.
You still owe me shoes. So, what did you think of Animal Crossing? How many stars?
100,000,000,000,100. I really want that dress.
Okay, yeah, I'll give it to you. Okay,
Please hit the subscribe button. Bye. Subscribe button. I'm hungry.
yeah, I can tell. Your tummy is rumbling.